Hey YouTubers, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I'm going to show you what I found at our local thrift store for just such a bargain. Okay, this is an Oster brand extra large toaster oven. It's brand new. It does not even look used. I mean, the glass is perfectly clean. The inside doesn't have one little tiny speck of dirt in it. The knobs are still gorgeous and clean. The top had just a little bit of dust from sitting on the shelf, but otherwise perfectly clean. And this thing is massive. So just take a look here compared to my regular oven size. It's a little smaller, but not much. But as we all know, I have a large family and therefore I can use it. Now, this is what I paid. Right here, if I can get the little tag to swing around. It was sitting on top like this. It said extra large oven, $24.99. Here's what I paid. And Carm is our local Knox area rescue ministries. And I paid $24.99 plus tax. Also, with their appliances, our particular store has a policy where they will give you 7 days to return it if it doesn't work. They do test all of their electric items to make sure that they power on, but if you find that any of your features are not up to par, you can return it. But I'm really happy with this. I've tested it out. It gets super hot, super quick. Now, just for an example, I am gonna put this Oneida 12-cup muffin pan here. 12-cup muffin pan with room to spare. So yeah, that was awesome. I looked this up on various websites just to get an idea, and this is retailing for basically in the range of $120, $140. So I got it for 80% off of retail, and it works. So y'all, you just never know what you're gonna find in the thrift store. In fact, I wasn't really planning on buying anything that day. I had stopped by there to donate things. Did not even bring my purse into the building to purchase anything, but just got to wandering around. And when I saw this, I thought, you know what, I need that. We have had a toaster oven that we use almost daily for many years, and it was time to upgrade and replace. And for $25, this was the right time. So I went back out to my vehicle, got my purse, went back in and bought it. All right, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this episode. What kind of deals do you like to look for? What kind of amazing bargains have you found when you're out and about? Let us know in the comments. Click like. It would totally make my day. And even better, click subscribe over here and you will get an update, a notification every single time I upload a video. Thanks, you guys. That's how I'm doing it.